Want to eat healthier? Try these 5 easy tips. 1. Start with water. Drink a glass of water before meals to stay hydrated and avoid overeating. 2. Add more greens. Fill half your plate with vegetables for balanced nutrients and fiber. 3. Choose whole grains. Swap white bread and pasta for whole grains to keep you full longer. 4. Limit sugar. Cut down on sugary drinks and snacks to maintain steady energy levels. 5. Snack smart. Choose healthy snacks like nuts or fruit to keep you satisfied between meals. Make small changes for big results.